Say hi, Tima. Say hi. Okay. I want my hand, baby. It hurts. I can't bend like this forever. Can I have my hand back? Timka? Timka? Timiki? Tima? I really want my hand back. I have to go now. We have to go up and exercise. Are you gonna come? Will you exercise with me? Maybe you and Goldie can exercise together. I'm taking my hand, baby, please. It hurts. Timki is all dirty now after coming back from his 3-day. Sorry, I need my hand. You can still sit there, it's fine. Show them how dirty you become. See all this. What is all this? Chi? He's all become grey and brown and dirty and dusty. That whole bath was a waste. Simply we gave you bath. Simply. We didn't have to give you bath. Look here. Look here. Cutie, 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 cutie. Arre. He slept on my arm again. Why do you like my arm so much? I'm trying to make this boy a street cat again. I do want to find you a home. Like, I do want you to be somebody's pet. Because that's what you're best at. But what if I don't find you one? I need an alternative, right? I know how can anyone say no to you? It's impossible. But till they meet you, they won't know, na baby. That is so sweet. Hello, what about my vlog? Please, don't disrespect my vlog. अरे वापस हाथ ले लिया. Can I just have my hand, Tamiki? I wish cats could be like. You could. Shut up, I'm speaking. You could transform them into like a Pokemon. And when you want to travel, you just throw the Pokeball on them and they get saved in the Pokeball. And then when I have to travel or I have to move cities or move anywhere, I just put the Pokeball in my pocket and we go. And if I have to travel, or like go out for the night, or I have to go travel for a week or two, and there's no one to look after you, I'll just put you in the Pokeball. And for 2 weeks, you won't exist in the world. You will be in the Pokeball. Is it real life में क्यों नहीं है बाबा? What you'll do if I'm not here? What you'll do? You can't be dependent on me. No, you can't sleep on my hand while hitting me with your tail. It's so annoying. Can you stop doing this with your tail? See, they can't see. They can't see you're being a naughty little bitch with your tail right now. They think Timiki is being a sweet boy. But actually, Timiki is hitting me with this tail. Stop it, Timiki. Alright. I have a tripod now. I don't need to keep the phone like this. But then, इसके लिए थोड़ी मैं tripod निकालेगी ना. यार, I'm feeling so sleepy. I don't want to go and work out. But I skipped yesterday also. Just ऐसे ही, no reason I skipped it. It was only a 10-minute workout. And it was a Sunday. I love him so much. So I just decided to skip it. But it was not a good idea, no? We should not be skipping exercise, no, Baba? What do you say? Okay, we are too far away from the camera. How's this? Works better? चल, यहाँ पे रखते हैं. Better, much better. इधर देख, उधर वो छोड़. You're falling on me, by the way. Hello, what is this? He's comfortably pushed his bum on my lap. What is this? तू टेबल पे था ना अभी अभी? Anyway, this wasn't going to be a vlog, but oh god, it's going to be ulta, man. Fuck. Anyway, I think I'll just keep it here. Yeah, this wasn't going to be a vlog. This was just going to be a recording of Timothy sitting on my table and hitting me with his tail. Still he's hitting. Still he's hitting. Take this tail away. I'm going to throw it now. What do I do with this boy? You give me so much joy, but you also give me so much tension. Tension, you give me tension. But today, my plan worked. And I made him spend half the day outside the house. And he did. I don't know where he was. But whole morning he was not there. And he only came back now. I'm trying to get him to eat only one meal a day over here. And not spend the day and night here. Just sometime in the evening, like right now is fine. He's purring so much. Oh my god. I hope you have a family somewhere. Yeah. I'm gonna put a collar on him and I'm gonna write, whoever feeds this cat, please call me. I don't know if anyone feeds him. I don't even know where he goes. I wish I could just see where he goes. Did you go and make babies in this 3-day break that you took? Okay na baba. I get allergies if you keep doing that. Did you go and make babies with somebody? Huh? Is that why you wanted to go away for 3 days? Don't lie, I know you. I know you very well. That's why I'm getting you neutered. Then you will not want to go and make any babies. But then your instinct to leave also will go. Then I don't want you to become a house cat. I have to be cruel with him. I have to show him the water gun. And I have to spray water gun on him like it's holy. And then he goes. Now, why no meow sound is coming? Do again. Don't go that side. Come here. Come here. Look here. Say hi, Tima. Hi, Tima. Timeki. Are what is this awkward position you're sitting in, bro? Fuck, मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रहा है. Even though yesterday I slept more than I usually do, but it was not in my own house. So maybe that's why it feels weird. I'm so sleepy. I tried to nap in the evening and sleep didn't come. I have to work out today. There's no excuse whatsoever. And today's one of the long ones. I think it's a 50-minute one. I can see you looking here. I can see you. Layo, that's on fire. For you. मैं इसको इतना परेशान करती हूँ और ये फिर भी झेलता है मेरे को. इतना अच्छा बच्चा है ना. Why nobody wants to adopt? I don't know. They don't know how sweet you are. That's why. I wish they just came to meet you once. Then they'd be like, I want this boy. I will take this boy. That's what happened with Keto. I didn't want him when I saw the photos because it was mean. I was mean to him. I was like, this cat doesn't look good. And then I met him and he was baby. He was not a full baby also. He was like 3-4 months old. And then I carried him and he was purring like you are right now. Look towards the camera now. What is this? Bad manners. And he was purring. And then I didn't know what is the meaning of purring that time. Like I didn't know cats purred. I was always a dog person. I never wanted to have a cat. But at that point, having a dog was not logical or feasible. So we were like, let's have a cat. I was the kind of person that used to say I don't like cats. You know, the kind of people who are like, cats are not capable of love. Cats don't know affection. So I was like, ew, dogs. Sorry, cats suck, dogs, wow. I was that kind of girl. So I had no idea that cats purr because dogs don't do this. And then I lifted Keto and he was purring. In my hand, he was purring. He was a little baby. He was small Keto. Now he's so fucking fat. Oh my god, he's obese. You will also be headed in that direction if you don't stop eating soon. You better be careful of your weight. I'm not trying to fat shame you, but you should know, okay? Anyway, so, अरे यार, fuck dude, it's 7:40 यार, we have to go, Timiki. And then he was purring, and then I lifted him up, and I told everybody, like I announced, oh my god, he's vibrating. And lol, the guy who rescued him, like the man, was like, yes, that's called purring. And then he educated me on purring. And apparently cats purr when they're feeling like comfortable and they're feeling relaxed and they're feeling like, you know, they're loving their attention. So I was glad, and then we got him home. We had no idea he was this shy. I didn't want a shy cat. I wanted a cat who would play with all my friends, who I could flaunt him to, etc. etc. But you know, that's the thing that's mean, right? We all always want an animal that fits our perceptions of what they should be. You don't realize that they also have personalities. Not every cat is like you, affectionate and nice and people loving. Some cats don't like that. At least he's not aggressive, you know. Some cats are like, thoda bhi haath lagaya, they'll catch your hand and they'll eat you up like fucking Goldie. That way, Keto is not like that at all. He never gets aggressive. He's just really, really shy and doesn't like to meet people. Yeah, as much as I wish he wasn't like that. I can't say that I regret getting him home, obviously. I don't. I wish we had some way to reverse that, like some behavioral change techniques. But I guess, I don't know, maybe it's trauma. Maybe just, maybe someone did something bad to him when he was a baby. And now he's like, fuck humans. I do not want to meet a single new human. Or maybe the fact that we brought him from the rescuer's house where he had probably gotten very comfortable, you know. Maybe the fact that we took him away from there. Now he's scared someone else will take him away from here also. But bitch, it's been 10 years and nobody's taken you anywhere. So like, why isn't he getting over that fear? Anyway, can't help it. I'm glad you are not like that. Oh my god. In the beginning, you were like that, huh? In the beginning, you were not letting us touch you. You were not coming to the window. You were just sitting on the ledge. And you were sleeping there full day. And we should throw you pedigree from top. Hoping you will catch it. You smell like fish. Which is a good thing. Which means you went somewhere to eat fish. Where you go, re Baba Tima? Where you go, re? I'll put CCTV on your head. Like a GoPro. You go, okay? With GoPro on your head. And show me where you go. Chal, I'm putting this off. Bye. Say bye. Timaki, say bye. My god, his fur is going in my nose. Oh. Allergy ho gaya na, then I can't work out. Huh? I will blame you only if I get fat. Give me kissy. Give me kissy. Give me kissy. Give me kissy. Timaki, say bye. Timaki, say bye. Let's him sing bye. Okay, let's say bye again. Say bye. Timaki. Timaki. Say bye. Arey, I'm not telling you to go. Say bye. Timothy. I guess he's done saying bye. Timothy, say bye. Bye, Babu. Bye, Tima.